installing a front OCP cage. Connect the XCC management module cable to the system board. Connect the front OCP cable to the system board, and then install the front air baffle and place the front part of the OCP cable on the front air baffle. Align the cage with the triangles and guide pins on both sides of the node, and then lower the cage into the node and push it toward the rear until all the screw holes are aligned. Fasten all the screws to secure the cage. Fasten the screws to secure the OCP cable to the front OCP cage. Connect the XCC management module cable to the XCC management module connector on the OCP cage. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.